most money by setting the right price at the right time for the right customers. It helps travel agencies stay financially healthy even in low times. Financial sustainability, being able to keep your business running is business. Business. What is revenue management? So it's the art of making the most money by setting the right price at the right time for the right customers. It helps travel agencies stay financially healthy even in low times. Financial sustainability, being able to keep your business running without needing outside money. So important for both profit and non-profit business. So importance of revenue management, it helps a travel agency survive. First is to managing price, forecasting demand, managing resource wisely. Next is the revenue source for travel agencies, commission from selling flights, tours, and hotel bookings. Service charge, tour packages, partnership with hotels and transport companies. Developing revenue management, there are tips to build RM strategies. First, know your market, like families, student, and also couples. Number 2 is set group size and cost. Number 3 is decide pricing for each group. Number 4 is add markup. The number 5 is consider season like peak or off-peak season. Choose how to sell like online selling or walk-in or through travel agents. First, number 7 is study booking data. Number 8 is watch trends and competitors. Kung usay mga latest karon or usay mga bago nga mga promos like kaya sa piso deals. Revenue or PATP or revenue per available tour product measures how much money you make per tour and product. So helps you track success and adjust pricing. Distribution based on demand, sell more on high demand channels like online apps or social media. Use lower commission option to keep more profit. So markup pricing, add a profit on the top of the base price. Example, supplier rate is cost of 4,000 pesos. You sell it at 5,000 pesos. Siyempre nakaginansya, dapat makaginansya juga kung saan mo pag sa imong pag markup pricing para di ka malkansi. Markdown pricing or lower price if a tour isn't selling well. Example, original price is 5,000 pesos. So, nag-markdown siya 4,000 pesos. So, ang purpose lang ana niya, bali, murag yapon siya marketing strategy para dili siya malugi gyapon siya ang kay mao gyapon yung standard na price. So, muna yung tour packages. First, a combination of travel services sold together, airfare, hotel tours, and etc. So muna siya kinahanglan na jud kay mga suki nga mga or mga paning kanang ilahang na kay sariling suppliers kay para dili na ka pangitaglaig kon pag na kay tour packages. Second is cheaper than buying each part separately. So, ang number 2 is, example ani is, para makaginansya ka, kinahanglan, Mahal yung gina-separate ng mga